Hello guys, today I have a quick Excel video. I'm going to show you how to add protection to your Excel sheets, to protect them by a password, but also how to remove that protection without knowing the password. So pay good attention. I'm going to create a new Excel file. So I'm opening up Excel, creating a new workbook, and you have sheet 1. I'm going to type my secret information that nobody is allowed to alter. Everyone can alter this, of course. I'm going to save this on the desktop. I'm going to say my protected workbook. Voila. I'm going to add a second sheet. This is just normal information. Voila. Now in sheet 1, this will be protected and this will be unprotected. I'm gonna go to review protect sheet. Here you can say what people are allowed to do and what they aren't allowed to do. I'm gonna say allow users to select locked cells and select unlocked cells, but they can't change it. And I'm gonna add a password, admin, for example. Hop. Okay, I have to re-enter the password, admin again. So as you can see now, I'm going to press delete, the cell or chart you're trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make a change, unprotected sheet, you might be requested to enter a password. So I can't do anything in the protected tab anymore. If I have to unprotect the sheet, it asks for me a password, but I don't know it. I'm trying something, password applied is not correct, blah, blah, blah. Okay. On the unprotected sheet, of course, I can do whatever I want. Okay, you can't do anything here. I'm going to save this, I'm going to close. And now I'm going to do the following. This workbook has an .xlsx extension. If you don't know how to show this, watch my other video about showing hidden files and extensions. We're going to try to rename this and change this extension to .zip. Now we have a zip workbook. We're opening this, and here you can see an Excel file is actually just a zip file made with a lot of XMLs inside it. We're going to the XL folder and then to the worksheets folder. There are two sheets here, the two sheets we created. I'm going to unpack them and show you quickly something. I'm going to open them in Notepad++, just to make it clear. It has some color coding. You can see I have a plugin, XML Tools, Pretty Print XML only with line breaks. Then it just formats it. I'm going to do it with this one as well. It's very, very good tool. So we have sheet 1. And you see, aha, there is a sheet protection with a hash algorithm and salt values, etc. It's very complicated. And the sheet 2, it goes from sheet data to page margins. And this goes from sheet data to sheet protection to page margins. Would it be just so simple that I remove the sheet protection? Delete. I'm going to save the sheet1.xml. I'm going to close this. And now I'm going to override the sheet1.xml, copy and replace in the zip file. Voila. I'm going to close this again. And now I'm going to rename my zip file to XLSX. It's the Excel format. Are you sure you want to change it? Hell yeah. Now I have my protected workbook again. I'm going to open this. Secret information that nobody's allowed to alter. Delete! Bam! The sheet is no longer protected. It's just that easy. So if you don't know the password, you can just follow this procedure and you can unprotect any sheet you would like. If you like this tip, if you like my videos, please consider subscribing because there will be plenty more videos. Have a nice day.